New at 6, an Iowa teenager has pleaded guilty to voluntary manslaughter for the death of an employee at a Johnston youth facility. 16-year-old Jovan Mathis appeared in adult court earlier today.
Mathis says he was in a state of extreme anger last May when he pushed past Kathleen Galloway Menke, shoving her to the ground and fatally wounding her.
KCCI's Ophelia Jacobson was in the courtroom when Mathis entered that plea. Ophelia, you spoke with Galloway Menke's family following the hearing.
Yeah, Ben and Stacy, Kathleen Galloway Menke's daughters say they're happy he pleaded guilty, but they would have liked that charge to be second-degree murder instead of voluntary manslaughter. Now, that reduced charge was part of a plea agreement. This was the first time that we saw 16-year-old Jovan Mathis. He walked into the courtroom in shackles and handcuffs around his wrists. He showed very little emotion during the hearing. In his own words, he described what happened on May 8th, 2024. He says he was, quote, in a state of extreme anger when he left Ellipsis, which is a Johnston youth residential facility. Mathis says Galloway Menke, who was an employee, stood in between him and the street as he was trying to get away, which he says made him even more angry. That's when Mathis says he pushed past her so hard that she, quote, flew into the air. Galloway Menke died of a brain injury a few days later. Her daughters tell me they were worried Mathis wouldn't accept the plea deal today.
We really just wanted it to be stuck with second degree. Yes. We fought for it for a while. It does suck. We were willing to go to trial. We were willing to do all of it, but we do have to give props to our team. They thought the decision that they made is the best.
And Mathis also pleaded guilty to 3 aggravated misdemeanors and 4 serious misdemeanors. He could face up to 20 years in prison. Now, he will be sentenced as a youthful offender. What that means is he won't be sentenced formally until he's 18 years old. The judge today set that date for that sentencing for July 31st, 2026. Live in downtown Des Moines, Ophelia Jacobson, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.